Meaning of fatality.
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 Fatality. Fatality refers to the end result of something that is deadly or fatal. It indicates the occurrence of death as a direct consequence of an event, accident, disease, or injury. Fatality can be used in various contexts, such as traffic accidents, workplace incidents, natural disasters, and medical complications. In general, fatality signifies the irreversible cessation of life and the loss of an individual's consciousness, personality, and physical existence. It also brings about sorrow, mourning, and grief for those who are affected by the loss.